Welcome to another Ask Zenler. Now I haven't seen this question asked before, but I basically was thinking that it might be quite handy if you can have a maintenance mode. So basically your site is offline so that people cannot view pages. Now the thing to remember about this is if you've got links like these links to a page, then they're going to find your page. Okay, so unless you go ahead and unpublish all of your pages, it's not truly going to be in a maintenance mode. So if you want to stop people accessing courses or anything, you're going to need to go through these pages and unpublish them, all right, and then just publish the maintenance mode. So that means you can still preview your pages even though it's unpublished, and you can check things are working, and at the end you can then publish those pages. So let's go ahead and create a simple maintenance mode page. So I'm going to base it off of the unsubscribe page here. So I'm just going to hit duplicate. It's going to give me a duplicate page here. You can see this copy, and I'm going to go into edit. And once I'm in the editor, I actually don't want to go into that. I want to go into settings here for this page because I want to re-change these URLs and the name of the page. So I'm going to come up to here and I'm just going to call it maintenance mode. Okay, let's spell that correctly. Copy that. I'm going to paste that into there. I'm going to keep the page published, and page is visible to all users, and I'm going to click update. So I've got the maintenance mode page. So I'm now going to go into the editor for this page, and we are going to just put a little bit in here just saying the page is in maintenance, and there we go. So here we go. So we've got no navigation going on here. So let's go, this site is in maintenance mode. And I always find it's a good idea to put a schedule in here so people know when it's going to be back in action. Scheduled maintenance. Oops. Let's just say Monday the 20th to the 22nd September 2020. Let's just delete this. Let's just get rid of this subscribe. Okay, so that's all I've got. Site is in maintenance mode, scheduled maintenance, click save. All right, so you can obviously SEO this page as well. I'm going to cancel that. And that's our page set up. All right, so now if we go back to our pages, so I'll now just close that down. You can see we've got that page. I can actually go and check this page out. If I right hand click and I open link in new tab, and that's what we've got. So that's nice. So if you are going into maintenance mode, you might want to send an email broadcast to all of your contacts, all of your students. So you would go into email broadcasts and you would select, you would do a new broadcast and title this site offline notice. This is only your notice. Then click create, and then once you click create and you've got this, then we can go in here and type your name. So you can put whatever you like here. Let's surf dudes from email. So you obviously put your email there, and you'd select all contacts. In here you'd select all contacts. You would then go and fill in your subject, your email content, and then you'd finish and you send that to them so that they know that that maintenance is going on. All right, these are just what you need to do. I'm not going fully into email broadcast, but I think you need to send an email to them letting them know when you're going to be working with these things. So now we want to take this site offline because at the moment it's not offline. Yep, so our offline, what we're going to do is we're going to go into site here, and we're going to go to our home page here, and under our home page we're going to select the maintenance mode for both logged out and logged in users. Okay, so we got this maintenance mode for both. I'm going to click save to this, and so now they've been changed over. You can see that I have my maintenance mode menu showing. So guys, that's how you can change your site and turn it into maintenance mode. I need to get rid of that subscribe as well under the page, so let me just go and make sure that's taken out, and then you have a maintenance mode. Now remember, when you finish any of your maintenance on the site, you make sure you change that home page of the logged in and logged out users back to the proper pages. Really important that. So I'm going to just get rid of that now. I'll click save that page off, and now we will not have that subscribe at the bottom. So that basically is how you can set up a site maintenance. Obviously help if I actually labeled this right. And there we go. So hopefully that helped you guys that how to turn your site into a sort of maintenance mode site, so you can do bigger changes that might affect other users. So remember, to do it fully, you need to unpublish all of those pages that you've got published here. So it's pretty easy to unpublish a page. Just go into it there and you can just check that and click update, and then it will unpublish the page, and you'll need to turn them all back on again, turn the maintenance mode page back off, and make sure you select the right home page here, put it to what it was before, and then you'll be back in action. So that's how to set up a maintenance mode page for Zenler.